I've been exploring the Relive Fitness mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Relive is an activity tracking app that turns your outdoor runs, rides, hikes, and other adventures into short 3D video stories, mainly aimed at people who enjoy sharing their outings in a more visual, cinematic way. It uses your phone or connected services like Apple Health and Garmin to record your route, then builds a flyover-style video showing your path on a 3D map, with options to add photos, highlights, and different video formats so everyday outings feel more memorable. The free version lets you create one unedited 3D video per activity and share it on social media, while the paid Relive Plus tier adds more photos, music, HD quality, and deeper editing controls, which frequent users may find handy. However, it is not without flaws. Some reviewers mention that video processing can take a while and occasionally fails, requiring you to resubmit the creation, and small edits like changing a title can trigger a full reprocessing, which feels inconvenient. Others would like more flexibility when replacing or reuploading an already shared video. On the positive side, the overall rating is very high, with most users praising the concept, ease of use, and how good the final videos look for the price. Overall, if you value turning your outdoor activities into shareable, story-like videos and do not mind occasional delays or paying for advanced options, Relive is a solid choice. Casual users who just want the occasional memory may be satisfied with the free version, while heavier users should weigh the subscription cost against how often they will actually create and customize videos. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.